Hey,
I
good
hear you.
afternoon, Mike, and everyone else here in chat.
Hello.
Hello.
We're doing it this morning, Riz.
I saw that. I saw that. I saw you were killing it this morning.
Yeah, this is insanity.
Yeah, we are bleeding today.
Yep, it's the Fed's orders that we didn't get yesterday coming through.
Yeah, it took a good day for it to set in, didn't it?
Yeah, like yesterday morning when all the charts were acting up and everything, nobody can get on, and all those big orders were going through, and it kind of messes the market up because all the big millionaires and billionaires of the world, and then they finally had to change those because the Fed's halted, so they went ahead and changed them back to today. So they already knew yesterday was this was going to be the move yesterday. So everybody's orders just kind of stayed right up here where the big money line is. See right here? There's this BM, big money. They had their orders right in here under this bank levels, this bear targets. So they knew right in here, guys, right after the bear target, they knew to put the big money in right here and boom, straight down. And that comes from the hold from yesterday. And you know why he did it because he's being replaced, and he's like, hey, I'm just going to do a no-brainer here, and we're not going to do anything. We're going to pause, and I'm getting out the door anyway because Powell's going to be out the door soon, and he's leaving on a good note. So not really a good note, but he's leaving. I mean, personally, I don't really hold anything against Powell with the Feds because I mean it's a rough ass job. I wouldn't want that job, but I think the next one we have is going to be a little different, guys, and the rates will come down. But it's just one of those things. It's a lot to do, but I don't know. We'll see. But I really think what really makes a difference though is when you actually get those orders that you didn't have yesterday come through today. That's just beautiful. So everybody who's sit back yesterday and seen all the craziness go on and all the charts not working and all that for all the orders coming through for the big money. Okay, so we paused and nothing happened. So boom, orders are here today. So it's just like you got to take it one day at a time, guys. Like I said, if something ain't working, don't trade. It's that simple. Just don't trade. You got tomorrow, right? You've always got the next day. If it's a bad day, don't trade. That's my philosophy. Get on the morning and you see your chart's not working, you know it's a Fed day or a big market day and something's going on, you know why. Orders. CME orders, guys. Look it up. There's a big video on it on YouTube. It explains it all. But so that didn't happen at the Fed yesterday, and they post the orders in, put all those orders in, and now look, we're getting the actual Fed meeting money this morning, and it's been beautiful. That's right. Listen to your instincts, guys. You know you're grown adults. You're going to be a professional trader. Pro traders don't trade on days where markets are crazy. They don't. They walk away. I walk away from that crap all the time. There's been days when I was like, nope. But the funny thing is, guys, since I've been off, I haven't traded in a while since I traded with you guys the last time on live, which has been months. It hasn't affected me any. I haven't missed it. I know I can go in and make money when I want to, but you come back stronger. Take off a week or two. You'll come back stronger. Get your mindset right. Sim trade. Do some simming for a while. Sim for a month. See how things goes. Chart stuff. Look at stuff. You know, just just kind of do what you got to do. I would love to see everybody in here. The 36 people in here. I think there's like 45 this morning. I would love to see all 45 of people in here successful. Do I need to come out of your house and trade with you to make you successful? Do I need to take trips out to y'all's houses and trade with y'all to make y'all successful? Oh, mercy. Come on over. Come on over, baby. More. Oh, spare room. There you go. Well, there was a company that offered me some stuff like that too. It's pretty cool, but we'll get into that later. So, look at this. That's 95, man. 95. That is brutal. I mean, we are killing this thing today. We made money in the Globex this morning too, remember? Look away, Rich. That's funny. And this thing ain't done. It's probably going to go lower. What's really funny though is they haven't gave us a lower bank level than the one we have, so it's kind of strange. We're kind of at that point now where it's like, are we going to restructure? I think it's coming, guys, because right now I know that I see the market's not got a bank level on it at this low down here. So what does that tell us? There's got to be something going to be restructuring soon. They're either going to put a bank level somewhere between us and the bulls, or there's going to be a one that goes lower, right? Yeah, guys, answer that poll, guys, please. Everybody vote on that. There's 7. Come on, guys, get some votes in there. Broke. Oh, that's hilarious. I know Bay's gonna come, right, Bay? The he did a poll. See the poll in the chat? If we had a meetup, would you come out to meet us and the coaches? Absolutely not. Dumb Bay. Hilarious. And Steve messing with you. I don't think it would be in Florida though. We'd probably schedule it somewhere really cool. So Riz, I'm gonna be getting off here soon, man. I'm just started taking up your time and just kind of hanging out with everybody.
No, no, don't be. No, I always enjoy hearing your chat about the market analysis. I always love hearing your observation and how you analyze the market and are taking your trades. I find it fascinating.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm looking low down here, man, and I just, for some reason, there's nothing coming through lower than the bank level we have now. So I'm just kind of wondering, are we going to go back to the bank level and start restructuring? Because see how they got above the bulls here for the long. So they're taking this long above this bull level right here, and I think they're going to try to push it back to here. So if they
I
can
mean,
get back to the bull level, I think the 704 here is going to be, like a real thing, or a 704, 705, maybe a target up through there. But I kind of like start looking now, guys, to see if this is going to go sideways for a little while in contraction, or it might push lower again. But if we don't go contraction and we don't push lower, these bulls will have to make a move somewhere. Okay. Now I might just take the picture of this chart and sit down and do a video on it. You know, I think it'd be kind of cool. Up through here, and that 704 makes a lot of sense right there. Up through here, and that 704 makes a lot of sense right there. But you definitely got to just, as long as you stay above, you know, as long as we stay above like the 38 on this, as long as you hold the 38 long, you're good to go on the 38 long here. Because that's what most people got in is the 38 long. They got 38 to 58. They're trying to go to 704. But hey, you know, you never know. Like I said, you're going to get a pullback in this, guys. Because remember, when you have a big down move like this, what happens, guys? Everybody knows what happens. If I can get my mouse to go back over here. Okay, so look at this. We got this big giant move, right? Let me get my chart straight here. Okay, so you got this big giant move off the bank level, the bull bear line. The bull bear line right here, the bears took the market back from the bulls at the bull bear line. Would probably look at the big run this afternoon to go back to where? The bank level. Right here. You've got to get this bank level right here. Right? But right now, I think what is that? 854. So bank level, they have got a new bank level in here, guys. I think did they change this over a while? Is it what is that? 883? Where's 883? It's right here. Right there. So this is going to be where this is where the bulls will be trying to go, guys. If they're going to get anything done, guys, you're going to have to go to right here. So you want to mark this on your chart, guys. It's 883. Mine won't mark it. I just got 84 there, I think, or whatever, but it's okay. But just mark 883 on your charts, okay? Ooh, that ain't good. Before I get off here, I'll just tell you that. Because 883 is that bank level, guys, that they've added now. Oh, actually, no, it's not. Hang on a second, guys. They moved it again. Shit. What are they doing? Hang on. Let me go back and look here. It keeps flying around on me. Nope. Not going to be 883. That's strange. It's 8. Okay, let's go grab this. Get this out of the way here. So we're going to move it down, guys. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Okay, what are you doing over here, man? Right here, guys. Right there at the 863. 863, guys. Mark 863 on your chart and call it a bank level because that's what it is. It's just above the bull line. So 863 or 25863. Yeah, 25863, guys. So I expect the market to play from bank level to bank level. 863, right? A lot of times you can do this too, guys. It makes your life a lot easier. 25. Ooh. Get off of there. We don't want to do that. Hit the wrong button there, I guess. Right there. this tells you this is what these bulls will be looking for from bank level to bank level. But they got to get through this right here. You got to get through the 704, 712 right here. Come to this little level here. Hit this one. Get these bulls out of the way. The bears, the bulls got to get these bears out of the way because the bears own everything down through here now. Then they come up through and get across the bull line and get some momentum going. Hit the bank level to the next bulls. And then back to the other bank level. So you're trading in the bank levels. That's what they're going to try to establish. Now they might go back up to the bull line right here where the bears will be sitting about the 27.30 and kill it. Go right back down. Right? I can probably post them, for you guys at night. But the only thing about it at night, if I post them, they usually change in the mornings. They're always on here when I'm on here in the mornings. But I don't trade Fridays, guys, because Friday I just don't mess with. But tomorrow, if we don't get an up move today, we might go in tomorrow. So, but sometimes on big days like this, tomorrow will probably be crap. Because remember, guys, there's an old saying: 2 days in the market is a successful day, right? 2 days is usually what the market does. 2 really, really good days. Okay, we have a day that's crazy, and then a boom, a big day. Another day that's crazy, boom, a big day. 4 days, right? On the 5th day, it either does nothing, sideways, or just has totally wicked, crazy candles that you can't trade, right? So remember, 2 days in the market, guys. 2 days is all you need. On 2 good days, trade. If you see markets that are terrible, don't trade. Because I guarantee there's going to be 2 days where you should not trade a week. And there's going to be 2 really good days that you should trade a week. And there's that one day, it could be iffy. It could go either way. So just kind of think about that when you're trading, guys. That's right. Usually about 4 days, man. This last 4 days has been beautiful for us. We've nailed it. But like yesterday, even though we had problems yesterday, we still made 20 grand yesterday. All right? So let's see, 98, 198, 208, 218. So about 238, guys. We've done